Elon Musk just spent $60 billion and he didn't buy a rocket, a satellite, or a city. He bought a coding tool built by four MIT students who started it just 4 years ago. And he made this deal 2 days after pulling off the biggest IPO in the history of the stock market. This isn't just a business story. Musk is assembling something most people haven't fully seen yet. And by the end of this video, you will. Welcome to the AI Lab Report. I break down the biggest AI news, what it actually means for regular people, and the tools reshaping our world. Before we get into it, if you want my complete AI tool stack as a free PDF, the link is in the description. It's literally every tool I use to run this channel. Just grab it. Now, let's talk about what just happened. First, what is Cursor and why did Musk pay $60 billion for it? Cursor is an AI-powered code editor. Think of it as an AI that sits inside your coding environment and helps developers write, edit, and review code faster than ever before. It sparked a whole movement called vibe coding, where instead of writing every line of code yourself, you just describe what you want in plain English, and the AI builds it. Founded in 2022 by Michael Truell and three of his MIT classmates, Cursor grew insanely fast. By late 2025, they crossed $1 billion in annualized revenue. They'd raised nearly $3.5 billion from names like Andreessen Horowitz, NVIDIA, and even the OpenAI Startup Fund. Before SpaceX came along, Cursor was about to raise another $2 billion at a $50 billion valuation. SpaceX bought it for 60 and paid a premium to do it fast. Here's where it gets really interesting. Because this isn't just about a coding tool. Musk now controls every layer of the AI stack. SpaceX handles the compute, satellites, and AI infrastructure delivered from orbit. xAI, his AI company that merged with SpaceX earlier this year, handles the model, that's Grok. X, the social platform, gives him distribution and data. Tesla gives him physical AI, robotaxis, and Optimus robots. And now Cursor gives him the developer tools, the layer where engineers actually build the future. Rockets, AI models, social media, self-driving cars, humanoid robots, and now the tool developers use to write all of it. The SpaceX IPO raised $75 billion. By the day after the Cursor deal was announced, SpaceX had surpassed Microsoft in market cap, making it the fourth most valuable company in the United States. This is not just a company. This is an empire being assembled in real time. But here's the part most headlines are missing. Because this deal wasn't a victory lap, it was a rescue mission. xAI, Musk's AI company, has been in crisis. All 11 of the original co-founders had left by the end of March. Musk himself publicly admitted that xAI, quote, was not built right the first time around. Grok, his AI chatbot, called itself Mecha Hitler in 2025. It was used to generate deepfakes of women and children. SpaceX is currently facing multiple lawsuits because of it. And in the AI coding race, the exact category Cursor owns, Grok wasn't even in the conversation. Anthropic now controls 50% of the AI coding market. Cursor had fallen from 41% down to 26% in just 1 year. So Musk had a real problem. He had just told investors that 26 out of his company's $28 trillion total addressable market was in AI, and his AI product was losing. Cursor was the shortcut. $60 billion to buy credibility, talent, and market position that would have taken years to build from scratch. So what does any of this mean for regular people who aren't software developers? A few things. First, the AI tools being built by companies you use every day are about to be rebuilt under Musk's umbrella. Cursor will run on xAI's infrastructure. That changes who controls the software that builds the apps you use every day. Second, this is consolidation happening at a speed we've never seen before. A 4-year-old startup just got acquired for more than the GDP of a small country. The window for independent AI companies is closing fast. A few players are absorbing the whole field. And third, Anthropic is actually winning right now. Despite everything you just heard about Musk's empire, the company behind Claude, the AI I use to run this channel, holds 50% of the AI coding market. OpenAI is close behind. Both are expected to go public later this year. The race is still very much on. SpaceX spent $60 billion 2 days after the biggest IPO in history. Not on rockets, on a coding tool built by 4 MIT students from their dorm room. If that doesn't tell you exactly where the future is going, I don't know what does. If you found this useful, subscribe. I drop videos like this every week. My free AI tool stack PDF is linked in the description. And if you want to see how the rest of Musk's empire is being assembled piece by piece, I'll see you in the next one.